We're just getting comfy in a good friend of ours, grandfather, step-grandfather, it doesn't matter. A place that he owns in this little small town in North Dakota. It's a house that he actually grew up in and has been renovating. Uncle Tim, Michael, we're just getting cozy.
Getting kitchen ready. I gotta get the kitchen ready.
I have a quick sandwich before scouting.
Okay, so we're at 5:48 on Thursday morning. October snowstorm keeps coming down, and we're at a good amount of snow now. I mean, and we still feel the need to get out here and chase after these ducks. We shot a limit yesterday. The boys are just not giving up on this mission. Shoot ducks in the snow! I am so tired. I do not need to go out in the snow just to get skunked. F that. And on this episode of Ice Road Truckers, Gavin and the North Country Legacy boys decide to hunt on winter storm warning in October. We shot a limit yesterday. We're all excited. We think we're gonna get another one in the snow today. I don't think we're gonna be able to even see what's in front of us. I don't think birds are gonna fly. But Noah and Dayton are pretty confident and they're pretty excited, so here we are. Yeah, that looks good. That looks like good visibility today. Should be able to see everything that's in front of us and whatever we want to shoot at. Okay. Oh yeah, great idea, boys. I hope these guys prove me wrong.
We didn't bring decoys, really.
That's good.
Because we figure if we have to walk out, we don't want to have to drag 40 dozen.
Good morning. Is this what you expected on your North Dakota hunting trip?
This is good. I like this.
Yeah.
This is the best.
Yeah, this
That
is
kind of stuff I like.
yeah,
Like deer hunting and
yeah, in a nice cozy heated blind.
that's what I like. I like that nice Banks blind. You
Yeah.
know, I'm
Yeah.
making a plug for Banks blinds. And,
Yeah,
Sitka here.
Yeah. Sit here. I got-
yeah, we're really testing the Sitka out here.
I got my fake Sitka on.
Yeah.
Underneath my North Face.
Well, we're gonna give her. All right, grab that other one, Mikey.
Handle mine today.
Sleeping there, I suppose. He's nice and cozy.
Oh no, he's awake.
Yeah, I'm sure he's up.
He had coffee going for us right away. What a guy. So we are back in the panel blinds. What do you think, Mikey? Is this the gnarliest weather you've hunted ducks in?
Yeah, I think so. Should be a pretty good day.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Let's see what we're working with here. Doesn't really look like it's snowing, but it definitely is snowing. Lots. Been snowing all night. And we saw some ducks already working around us, but no shots fired yet. Mr. Sitka, Uncle Tim, how are we doing over there? Woo. Cheers to Noah and Dayton for being the ballsy guides here today. No excuses. Trying to decoy snow geese with our 10 dozen freaking honker spread.
Real quick.
We got the game warden just checked us. All legal. You never think you'd see a game warden out and about on a day like today, especially when we only shoot 4 ducks, but all legal, all good to go. Mr. Noah getting the job done, of course. So we are back at the house in the, well, we can't tell you where. We hunted a field this morning. It was pretty gnarly snow. We shot 3 hen mallards, but it was a pretty gnarly snowstorm. And we had our first run-in with the North Dakota Game and Fish, game warden. Everybody all legal, so we're feeling pretty triumphant that we are upstanding citizens. And we're just waiting on breakfast here. Let's go check in. Oh! Warm too.
We got some cheese in there and just load it up. We got more here.
Thank you, Chef. Chef Tim Doppler.
This is my world.
And it's venison sausage too. That's the best part about it.
Yeah, we got plenty.
Typical, like I said.
I got another full one in there.
Eating deers at duck camp.
Duck camp.
And at deer camp, we're going to be eating ducks.
Yeah. Oh, too much fun.
Oh, cheers. 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 Castraya. Hey.
How do we do that? What do you mean too much fun? Too much, Brad. Too much fun.
I burnt that last one.